How you guys doing? We're about to install this and see if we can do it properly here. So it does come with two of these, two snap-on, where you tape it to whatever it is you want to hook it up to. One is smaller than the other one, the one's thicker. And the reason is to create more clearance. So like this is in the way here. You want to create more clearance to be able to snap this on, as opposed to the small one where this is going to get in the way. So let's go, guys. Let's try to do this the right way. So we're going to line it up and we're going to press down. My first go-to, because of the pricing, was this one. It has 3 different options. It's not too bad. I think it was like $12. But it has a lot of play because my helmet on the back has this little crease. I don't know if you guys can tell at the very end. But this one, because it's a little bit smaller and the tape is a little bit thicker, it doesn't have a lot of room to wiggle. And honestly, I like the feature that it has with the stop. I am a new rider and I need all the help I can get. So we're gonna press down here for a few. Really get that in there. And let's try to put it in there and see how it goes. Let's see. There you go. It clicked in. It's kind of sticking out a bit, but that's fine. It's supposed to be like that. And this thing, guys, in daytime is hella bright. At nighttime, it's crazy bright. Let me see if I can turn off the light for you guys real quick. Look at that thing. This is just like a normal car light, LED light. So we simulate that we're going forward, and we stop. It lights up. Doesn't last long, but you know, it's just to get the attention of the riders behind us. So it does work really well. I really like it. And then I did take another video on a car. I put it in a car to simulate at what point stopping will light up. You guys can see it on another video I'm going to post. And I do have to say, if you drive very smooth, where you don't really like brake hard enough, this thing doesn't light up. But yeah, your average person will brake the same way and stuff. But yeah, stays there once you make sure it's good to go. And yeah, oh, it'll look like that again, but I mean, it is an add-on you put in on it, so I think it still looks good, and you know, it gives you that additional feature for safety. So highly recommend it. Peace.
So I just got this brake-free device. I'm really stoked because a lot of my friends that I ride with, they have it, and it's really nice to be able to have just another safety measure. Go ahead and I'm gonna open this up and show you guys what's included here. Looks like we got a alignment tool. So I guess this goes on the back of your helmet to help you align it. It's a quick start guide. And then here it is. Brake free. Feels super high quality. Give it take an impact. And looks like the charging port down here on the bottom. The button to fire it up. There we go. Oh man, I'm so stoked to have this finally. So yeah, it's inertia based, so when you stop on your bike. The light comes on. That is so cool. Super stoked to get this. Let's see what else we have in here. Looks like there's a couple of mounting brackets for your helmet and charge cord. This is awesome. Can't wait to get it installed.